Amanda, what are you doing?
I'm playing the Scary Maze game.
She's never played this game before, so we'll have to see. She might pee, or she might laugh her pants off. She's on the last level. This is why it's so scary. She's gonna lose. Just kidding. I hope you realize you have to do this again, just so the kids have to see it. Look at her face.
I've been petrified.
Oh my god, your scream scared me. I didn't know it ended that quickly. Oh my god. Wow, Amanda. Her face.
I'm scared of that.
Okay, bye.
Oh gosh, these kids are getting big. Okay, are you ready?
Gotta get closer to the computer so I can see both of you. Okay, they're playing a game. It's a very cool game. It's a Scary Maze game, huh?
Go have a talk with Elena.
So how did you like that game?
Fun.
Want to do it again?
No.
Didn't think so. Okay, bye.
Bye.